We want to make it as clear as possible for customers like you to know how to report repairs, what the likely timings are for repairs, and what standard of service you can expect. You can report repairs by telephone 0330 175 9540, by email repairs.hotline@incommunities.co.uk, in person with any staff of Incommunities. Classifying a repair. We split repairs into 3 groups. This allows us to make sure that we get to all repairs reported by our customers. Emergency repairs. These repairs are attended and made safe within 24 hours. Routine repairs. We will visit and complete within 20 working days. Unplanned major works. We will attend and complete work within 40 working days. Additional appointments may be required. For vulnerable customers, we may need to adjust response times. This is reviewed on a case-by-case basis. When working in your home, our operatives and contractors will display ID badges. Treat you and your home with respect. Leave your home secure and weathertight with gas, electricity and plumbing at the end of each day, wherever possible. Where possible, we'll make good any decoration affected during the repair. Provide information and advice to avoid anyone being exposed to asbestos. Responsibilities. We want everyone to be clear what Incommunities is responsible for and what customers are responsible for themselves. Incommunities is responsible for things such as the building structure and making sure that the fixtures for electricity, gas and water are in good working order, plus the maintenance of the communal areas of buildings. Customers are responsible for things such as reporting repairs and allowing access, keeping your home and gardens in good condition and keeping on top of minor repairs, plus reporting criminal damage to the police and making sure you have received permission from Incommunities before doing any alterations. By working in partnership, we can make sure that your home remains in good condition for many years to come.